Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're watching this video, it's likely you have a cracked screen on your Acer N19H2. This can happen due to drops, pressure, or simply wear and tear over time. If left unaddressed, a cracked screen can lead to further damage, such as display issues or even complete failure of the screen. It's best to tackle this problem sooner rather than later. For this repair, you'll need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and a replacement LCD cover. First, ensure your device is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Begin by removing the back cover using your spudger. Carefully insert it into the seam and gently pry it open, making sure not to damage any internal components. Once the back cover is off, locate the cracked LCD cover. It's usually held in place by small screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws carefully, noting their positions for reassembly. With the screws removed, gently disconnect any cables attached to the LCD cover, taking care not to tug too hard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, lift the cracked LCD cover away from the device. Take your replacement LCD cover and align it with the device. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, ensuring a secure fit. Once everything is in place, replace the screws to hold the new LCD cover firmly in position. Finally, reattach the back cover, pressing down firmly to ensure it clicks back into place. Power on your device and check that the new cover is functioning properly. It's always advisable to handle your device with care to prevent future cracks. Using a protective case or screen protector can help mitigate the risk of damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.